going on, guys? So yesterday I got a little bit done. I reinstalled the clutch master. I mounted the steering column temporarily. I have to make better brackets and reposition it this way a little bit. Mounted the seat just to see how fitment was. As you can tell, it's too far that way, about 1.5 to 2 inches. I also got the Forester down. She low life. She's going away in a couple days this weekend. I'm going to have a buddy that scraps, get rid of it. So I'm getting everything off it that I still need. The last things, absolute last things I need off from it is the door harnesses. That's it. Well, and the switches, but yeah, you get it. Another thing I'm doing, a project, I don't really know if I want to have it in this car or not, but I just want to see if it fits, is the Forester dash. So I'm going to cut off about 2.5 inches on each side. Just place it in there. See what I think about it. Because I did really love the Forester dash, and I've never seen the Forester dash in a GC, like ever, I don't think. So fuck it. I'm going to cut it, do a test fit, and hopefully it doesn't suck. So, the rough test fit, the length's good. Well, from what I cut off of both ends. I just need to notch that little bugger right there, and then I'll sit in more. And then I can get a better look at all this shit. But I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it a shot. Shot and beer. Might as well. But fuck it. Let's cut some more stuff. I must say, it doesn't look half bad. I have to trim some stuff down here, which is fine. I'm going to make my own switch panel over there anyways. But the thing I was most impressed with is the contour of the windshield is pretty similar, even though you can't see that side obviously, but it looks pretty good. So I'm going to put the vents back underneath the dash, so the heating actually goes through the ducts into the windshield, so that actually will be pretty beneficial just for defogging the windshield and everything. I'm also going to utilize the side vents, which are taped over right now, but I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's going to be it for tonight. I just wanted to do a few things, like I wanted to get this on the ground, and this was a spur of the moment thing, but it actually came out really well. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to mount it with a few zip ties and a couple metal brackets so it won't rattle or anything, but should be pretty good. But yeah, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Sneak peek with the trim in place, just to give you an idea.